Gather mode. Hi, students, can you hear me? Please confirm. Sanchi,
I can hear you.
Arav,
Yeah, we can hear you.
thank you.
I
Let
can
me
hear
share
you.
my screen, and you can see my screen also, right? Okay. So who is not there today? Cliff is not there. Otherwise, almost. Okay. So Arav, what we discussed so far yesterday and day before yesterday, we discussed about. Do you want to summarize what we studied in last two classes?
Yeah, so we studied about expressions and so how expressions are like. I think that let me just go back to my revision book.
Okay,
We
Sanchi.
discussed
Yeah.
about monomials, polynomials, trinomials, binomials. We um we did a few problems which contained coefficient and equations and expressions. We identified them and we identified variables. We identified like terms and unlike terms.
Super. Sanchi, anything else you want to add what we discussed in last two classes?
No, he pretty much summarized it.
Awesome. Thank you. So we started understanding. Yeah, Arav. Oh, Abhi, please go ahead.
We also like discussed how we can like simplify an equation.
Equation we are going to understand today. We also like probably you are trying to say we try to understand how to find the solution of an expression or how to find the value of an expression, right?
Yeah.
Equation we will do today. So yeah, so far we discussed what is an expression, what are the components of an expression like terms. Every expression is made of terms. There may be one term, there may be multiple terms. I'm just taking 2 minutes to summarize because it is going to be very important for all of us. And terms are made of variables and constants. It may be a single constant, it may be a combination of variable and constants. Yeah, that's right. And the number multiplying with a variable in a variable term is called coefficient. So these things we covered. Then further we explained how to find the solution of an expression. Solution of an expression is the value of variable which will satisfy that expression. Value of expression is depending upon the value of variable there, it will change. Then we further move to categorize different kind of expressions like monomial, binomial, trinomial, and then we generalized their name to polynomial. And apart from that, I think we did 50 plus examples there. So I think by this time, every one of you are comfortable with expression and component of expression. If anybody is having any doubt, please let me know before we move ahead. Everyone okay? Punya, I can't see you.
Yes, sir.
Why your camera is not on? Do you want to turn on your camera, Punya? Thank you. Super. So if everyone is okay with so far whatever we discussed, I have a question to you. How many of you have seen this old style weighing machine? Let me just turn on my ball pen. How many of you have seen this kind of old style weighing machine?
I have.
Super. And who hasn't seen this? You haven't seen this, Abhi? Okay.
I have.
Af- so after today, you will not say that you haven't seen because I'm going to explain it here. Okay. So this is an old style weighing machine where we have in one side we have weight and another side we have the items which we want to weigh. Okay. We are going to use the same concept here in equation. Equation have two sides. One is L LHS, left hand side, and another is RHS, right hand side. And when the weighing machine is balanced, both of these sides will be on the same level. Our equation will also be on the same level, like left hand side will always be equal to right hand side. Please pay attention what I'm trying to explain you here. So in case we want to add something on left hand side, what we have to do to keep balance? We will need to add the same thing on the right hand side, right or not? If we have to keep this weighing machine on balance, if we want to add something here, then same thing we have to add on other side also. Cliff is joining. Super. Very good. Hi, Cliff. Let me know when you are ready. We will start again. Cliff, are you ready?
Yeah.
Super. Awesome. Thank you. I think you skipped today's your football match, right? Or some other session you are having. So good to see you. So what we were discussing, do you have any problem with whatever we discussed so far in last two classes of our algebra?
Not really.
Okay, so you are clear about expression, terms, variables, coefficients, numbers, solution, everything, right?
Isn't a
Yes or no?
like the -1, 1, and that stuff?
Sorry, what is the issue there?
Isn't a coefficient basically like 1 and
Coefficient is the number which is multiplying with the variable there. For example, if we have 3ab, then 3 is the coefficient of that term.
no, I understand.
Let me revise it here. Just it will not take long time. Let us see. We have equation x plus 2y square minus 3z. First of all, what kind of expression is this? In under what category it will fall? I explained four categories of expressions yesterday. What will be the name of this expression? Yes, Ubi.
You discussed 4 types of expressions. So the expression you have listed is a binomials because there are 2 terms, y and x.
Anybody? Arav? Sanchi? Abhi? Cliff?
Trinomial, me? Pranav?
Yeah, Pranav, this will be
Trinomial?
trinomial. Thank you. Because there are 3 terms.
Yeah, three different variables.
3 unlike terms there, not the variables, unlike terms. There may be 3 variables, but there may be multiple terms. For example, I can add another term there, 3xy. So still we have 3 variables, but this is a polynomial because we don't have name for expression having 4 terms. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh no, I didn't know it was 3z. I thought it said 32.
Oh, sorry. This is 3g.
Yeah, even I like my 2's like z's. I don't know why.
Yeah, so this is 3g. Okay, so Cliff, this is for you. Here, if we talk about this term, number 2 is being multiplied with y squared, so coefficient is 2 here. In this term, minus 3 is being multiplied with g, so coefficient is minus 3. Here 3 is being multiplied with xy, so coefficient is 3. Is it clear to everyone, including Cliff?
Yes.
Super. Cliff, what happened to your camera? Thank you. Is it clear to you, Cliff? Coefficient? Or still any issue there? Super, thank you. So, Cliff, have you ever seen this kind of weighing machine, old style weighing machine I was talking about to everyone? If I'm asking you, have you seen this kind of weighing machine, old style weighing machine?
No,
No.
never.
Okay. So
Or
I'm going to explain you that probably 15, 20 years back, this kind of weighing machine was in very much use. There used to be two sides, left hand side and right hand side. On the left hand side or right hand side, in one side they used to put weights, like let us say 100-gram weight, 200-gram weight, 1 kg weight, 2 kg weight, and in another side they used to put the material which they were weighing. For example, if you are buying vegetables or fruit, on one side they will put weights, on another side they will put vegetable or fruit. Similarly, in our equation, like on in a in the best way, left hand side and right hand side of the scale will be on the same level, means they were balanced. Similarly, in our equation, we have left hand side and right hand side. When equation and left hand side will be always equal to right hand side. Is there any doubt whatever I explained so far? Right? So if we want to add anything on left hand side, in order to have balance, we have to add the same thing on right hand side. Let us say if we want to add 100-gram on left hand side, then we have to add 100-gram material on right hand side, right? If we want to subtract anything, we have to subtract the same thing from right hand side. Now, in terms of algebra, if we want to multiply a number on left hand side, in order to have right hand side in balance, we have to multiply the same number on the right hand side. And if we are dividing left hand side with a number, we have to divide the right hand side also with the same number. Any doubt so far?
All good.
All good. Thank you. So here is the definition of an equation. Equation have two expressions. One is on the left hand side, one is on the right hand side. And both of expressions are connected with equal sign. For example, let us say we have equation x plus 2 is equal to 5. Is this equation? Yeah, please, Subi. Do you want us to wait for 2 minutes, 5 minutes? We will not discuss anything very critical, so
Wait,
let's continue.
I can just quickly wait, I'll just be back in like just like a few seconds.
Sure. Take your time then. We will wait. Come. Arav, do you have any doubt in whatever we discussed so far?
no.
So you are clear about left hand side, right hand side, and I discussed about 4 operations here: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Yeah, I see.
So
Yeah.
if we will add any number, any variable, anything on the left hand side, we have to add the same thing on right hand side. If we
Yeah.
will subtract anything from the left hand side, we will subtract the same thing on the right hand side. Same thing in case of multiplication and division.
Yeah, I already understood that.
Super. So let's wait for Subi and then we will continue. So today we will try to complete this chapter. I think we have around 20-25 slides there, but we will try to complete it. Twenty-two slides. So it's not a very long chapter. Okay, so let's continue slowly. By the time we will come. So for example, if this is an equation, x plus 2 is equal to 5, and we want to find out the value of x. I'll go with the very simple solution and Cliff's method of cancelling out. Cliff, I want to ask you, what shall I do on left hand side to cancel 2? Shall I add something, subtract something?
Probably subtract 2.
Okay, so
And x
plus 2 is already there, so I'll subtract 2. And because I'm subtracting 2 from left hand side, I have to do the same on right hand side. So 2 will be cancelled out and x will be how much? 3. This is one of the way to solve this. But in a complex equation, probably we will not we will not use this. If we have this equation x plus 2 is equal to 5, we will keep x alone on left hand side and this 2 will be shifted on right hand side. What does it mean? It means whatever the term we are shifting on sides, when we shift side of any term, their sign will change. If some term is positive on left hand side, when it will move on right hand side, it will become negative. A negative term will become positive. If something is in multiplication, we want to shift that variable or term on right hand side, then it will become division. And if something is in division, if we shift side for that, then it will go in multiplication. So we haven't discussed something very critical. What we discussed, we have x plus 2 is equal to 5. And there are two ways to find the value of x. One is Cliff's method of cancelling out. So Cliff asked us to subtract 2 from left hand side, and we subtracted the same number on right hand side. So 2 will be cancelled by -2 and x value will be 3. This is one of the methods. But in complex equations, probably we will not use this. So another method is keep variable alone on left hand side and move everything else on right hand side. For that, there are few things which we need to remember. Those who joined now, let me reiterate again. If we are moving a term from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, there will be a change in sign of that term. If term is positive on left hand side and we want to move it on right hand side, its sign will change to opposite, minus. If term is minus, when we change its side, it will turn positive. Similarly, a multiplication term will become division, and division, any term in division will become in multiplication when we change the side. Who is not clear about this? We are going to do a lot of practice with this. Anybody have doubt about this thing? What I explained here?
No, sir.
Abhi, Sanchi, Arav, Cliff.
Only a little. All good.
Who is having little doubt there?
Me?
Okay, yes, yes. So what is the doubt? In which
I'm just
side?
a little confused about this part. Like, I still don't understand it really.
Okay, so let's do with this example. Thanks for raising this. Actually, everyone should have clear understanding before we move ahead. Let us say x plus 2 is equal to 5. We will use this term, this thing. First one. 2 is in positive. What is the sign of 2 in left hand side? What is the sign before 2 in left hand side? Is it a positive number or negative number?
Negative?
It's plus here.
Yeah.
So is it a positive number or negative number?
Positive.
Positive. So let's move this on right hand side so that we have only x, only variable on the left hand side. So when you will do as per formula, its sign will change. Change to what? To negative. So it will become 5 minus 2 on right hand side. Answer will be 3. Any doubt? Let's do one with the negative. So let us say where your equation is x minus 2 is equal to 5. When you will keep your variable alone on left hand side and you move this term, complete term, right? What is the sign before this number? Is it a positive number or negative number?
Negative.
Negative. So when you will switch its side, when you will move this term on right hand side, it will become a positive number. So what will become on right hand side? 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Any doubt? Is it clear? I want everyone to be clear about this thing. Sanchi, Abhi, Arav, Samian, you joined a little bit late. That's why I drop message every day. Please join on time. But is this
Yep.
part clear to you?
Yes.
All
Okay,
good, sir.
thank you. Let's do some two examples, one of multiplication and another one of division. Let us say, Yasir, this is specifically for you. Let us say x times 2 is equal to 10. So you will tell me when we will keep x alone on left hand side, what will be on right hand side. Use this law.
Division
X is in, yeah. So what will happen on right hand side?
will be 10 divided by 2.
10 divided by 2. So it will be 5. And one more example
Mhm.
before we move ahead. Let us say this is our equation. Please mute yourself, Punya. Thank you. So let us say our equation is x divided by 2 is equal to 10. So Yasir, what will happen to 2 here if we want to move this term on right hand side? We want to keep only variable on left hand side.
Uh-huh.
So what will happen here? What will be on right hand side?
2 times what? It'll be times
2 times
multiplication symbol.
is equal to 20. Right? So x is equal to 20. So what we did, we practiced about all four operations. We practiced about plus sign, minus sign, multiplication sign, and division sign. If still anything is not clear, please let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to ask you guys a lot of questions there. I will not mind explaining this thing again.
All clear, sir.
All good, sir. All good.
Okay, great. So now it's your time to solve the
All good,
question.
sir.
Thank you. Who want to try their hand? Arav, let's start with you.
The sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32.
So first thing what you have to do here, you have to write the equation, right?
Yeah.
So in previous class, we did lot of practice about writing expressions. We have to use that skill here. So what will be the equation?
So it's 3 times the sum of 3 times x plus 11. So is it going to be x plus 11 times 3 or?
No, it's saying 3 times x.
Also 3x plus 11.
Right. 3x
Plus
plus
11 is
11 is
32.
equal to 32.
So now
3x is equal to, what will be the value of 3x?
so it's a positive 11, which will to the other side will become a negative. It's gonna be 3x equals to 32 minus 11.
Such a big line. 3x is equal to 32 minus 11 is equal to what?
So performing the calculations, we find that 3x is 21.
21. And x is equal to?
21 divided by 3, since we take the 3 there, which is 7.
Perfect. Thank you, Arav. Next question is coming for Cliff. Yeah, Avi, I will come to you for next question. I have a lot of questions to practice. Everyone will get opportunity. Cliff.
Okay, I'm not sure what happened. Tapped it and then it went back. The sum, if you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, you get 7.
Okay.
So then,
So
this is,
let us say that number is x. Or what variable you want to use for that number? Let us say you want to use c. That is the variable you want to use. So what will be the equation?
the equation would be 7,
Mm-hmm.
7 divided by 6
Can you
minus,
please 7 divided by 6 minus
minus 5
minus 5.
equals to C.
is equal to C. So what is written here? Let's start with this clip. If you subtract 5 from 6 times of a number, you get 7. What it is saying? 6 C, let us say that number is C. 6 times of that number will be 6C, right? Subtract 5, you are getting 7. This is what this question is saying. Okay, Punya. Cliff, is what is the issue there in understanding? Can we read this question again? If you subtract 5, yeah, everyone, please take 5-minute break and then we will start. If so many students are going for bathroom and break, then it's breaking the rhythm. So please let's have a 5-minute break. Everyone take water or whatever they want to do, and then we will start. Okay. So we will start in another 2-3 minutes. Sign, is whatever we are discussing, is it clear to you? Any doubt there? Sign. Do you have headphone? Sign. So I am coming to you for next question. Okay.
Ready, sir?
Okay. Let's start. Thank you.
Yeah, ready, sir.
Everyone back? Okay. Cliff, are you there? Cliff hasn't returned. Let's wait for another minute. Cliff, are you there?
Wait, I just want to sound check, but can you hear me?
Yeah, very clear. Thanks, Subhi.
Um,
So, Abhi, is it clear to you what we discussed here? Do you want to read this
yes.
second part for me?
Yeah. If you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, you get 7. So,
So, if you read here, like any student read here, we are subtracting 5. So, what it is saying, minus 5.
yeah,
From
so,
6 times of a number, 6,
yeah.
let us say that number is C.
hmm
You get 7. This is what it is saying.
hmm
So, we need to read
Yes.
the question properly. Then
Yeah.
we can solve this.
So, basically, what I did
Hmm.
was 7 plus 5, because, like, minus 5 taken to the other side would be plus 5.
Yeah.
So that'd be 12. So 6C equals to 12.
And C is equal
So
to
C equals to 6. Sorry, 2. My bad.
12 divided by 6
By
is equal to
6.
2.
2.
Hope this is clear to everyone.
Thank you.
Anybody have any doubt, please let me know.
Oh, clear, sir.
Yasir, Punya, thank you. So let's move to the next question. Hey, Cliff, are you there? Are you there, Cliff? Can you hear me?
Oh, never mind. He is.
Okay, so you can hear. So let's solve this same question again with you. Do you want to read this question for me? Part 2. I think you had some issue there, right? Slowly read this.
On break.
If you, do you want to read this?
Anyway, if you subtract, I was just doing this. If you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, you get 7.
Okay, so slowly,
So
let's
7
move. So
on
what you,
6.
slowly, Cliff, slowly. If you subtract 5, it means
Like,
you are doing minus 5, right? From 6 times of a number,
yes.
let us see, that number is C. So from where? From 6C, you get 7. It means on right hand side, you have 7. So 6C is positive and you are subtracting 5. So 5 is negative. When you write this, your equation will become 6C minus 5 is equal to 7. Do you have any doubt in up to this stage? No. So what will be the next step?
Then the next step would be,
Hmm.
so then you grab minus 5 and then you do plus 5 to both sides. So it would be 6C equals to 12. So
12.
then
Very good. 7 plus
C
5.
equals to 2. Thank you. Bye
Very
bye.
good.
I'm just going to mute myself.
Okay. Good. So let's move to the next question. Part 3. Abhi, yeah, let's do this.
1/4 of M is 3 more than 7.
Hmm.
So, quarter of M equals to 10. Because
1/4 of
equals
M
to 3 plus.
is 3 more than 7.
Yes, so that'd be 3 plus 7, which equals to 10.
So what does it mean? 1/4 of M is 3 more than 7. So what it means? 1/4 of M minus 7 is equal to 3.
3.
Right?
Yep.
So M by 4 is equal to 3 plus 7 is equal to 10.
10.
And what will be the value of M?
10
10 times
times
4
4,
is equal to 14.
40. Thank you.
Let's move to the next part. Sanchi, you want to give it a try? I'm coming to you, Samir and Arab. Lot of questions are there.
1/3 of a number plus 5 is 8. So if the number is n, so that means n by 3 equals to n by 3,
n by 3
3 plus 5 equals to 8.
of a number plus 5 is equal to 8.
So then
So
you would take plus 5 to the other side, so then n by 3 equals to 3. So
8
then,
minus 5 is equal to 3.
so then
So
n
what we
equals
have,
to
n
3.
by 3 is equal to 3.
So
That
n
means
equals to 3 times 3, which is 9.
any doubt? Anybody so far? Thank you,
Um,
Sanchi. So let's move to next question, Arav. Next part it's for you. Okay, so we done with 2 questions here. Part are done. So we have a question. Yeah, Arav.
Rick's
It's a good.
father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Rick's age. Rick's father is 44 years old. Set up an equation to find Rick's age and find Rick's age.
Okay.
So, we are given that Rick's father is 5 years more than Rick's age. So, we can take Rick as R, and then Rick's father, which is F, is 3R plus 5.
So you are saying Rick's age is R. I am doing whatever you are saying. So I don't know whether it is right or wrong. So what is that you are saying?
So I'm just assuming a Rick.
Yeah.
So I put a variable there for Rick R.
Okay. Okay.
It
For Rick,
represents him.
it is R.
Yeah, and Rick's father's F.
Rick's father's X. Okay.
Oh, I said F, but it's fine.
Okay. F. Okay. That's fine. Whatever
So
you like.
we're given he's 5 years more than 3 times Rick's age. So he's 3R plus 5.
3R plus 5. F is equal to, right?
Yeah.
So let me read this part. Rick's father age is 5 years more than 3 times of Rick's age. Okay.
So now
That's
we're
good.
given that Rick's father is 44. So we can replace
44.
F with 44.
Okay.
So now
And standard is to have variable part on the left hand side. So we can swap this right hand
Yeah.
side on left hand side. So
So
that
we
will
can
be
say
3R plus
3R
5 is equal to
equals to
44.
44 minus 5. Now we do the
Okay.
calculation and find that 3R is 39, so R is 13 because it's 39 divided by 3.
Sure. Thank you. Another way, like in a simple form, if you want to do this, you try to draw this tree chart. On one side you have Rick's father, and on another side you have Rick. Let us say Rick is here and Rick's father is on the right side. So what this is saying, Rick's father age is 5 years more than 3 times of Rick's age. So 3R plus 5. This is father age given here. Rick's father age is 44. So you can write 44 here. So with this tree diagram, you have 3R plus 5 is equal to 44. And you can solve R is equal to 13 in the same way. So if you get confusion anytime, always use this tree diagram. Tree diagram is very, very useful in forming equations. Thank you, Arav. It was a very good try. Let's move to the next question. Please mute yourself if you are not talking. Who is this? Fine. Thank you. Here is question number 3. Who want to give it a try? Yeah, Abhi.
A shopkeeper sells mangoes in 2 types of boxes, one small and one large. A large box contains as many as 8 small boxes plus 4 loose mangoes. Set up an equation which gives the number of mangoes in each small box. The number of mangoes in a large box is given to be 100. Find the number of mangoes in each small box.
Mm-hmm.
So L equals to 8s plus 4.
Sorry, which variable you are assigning to small box?
L is large box and S is small box.
Okay, so L is equal to
8S plus 4.
8S plus
4.
4. Everyone, please have a look here, okay? And if there is any doubt or there is any issue, please let us know, okay? So L is given to us, Abhi.
Yep.
How much it is given? First of
So
all, let's move this to left hand side because this is the variable you are going to find, right? So 8S plus 4 is equal
4.
to 100. This is the value of given to us, right?
Yep.
So you will keep 8S alone.
Yep.
Is equal
Will
to
equal 96.
100 minus 4 is
4.
equal to 96.
Mhm.
So
So
S is equal to
S is equal to 12.
96 by 8
Divided
is equal to 12. Very
12.
good try, Abhi. Thank you. Is this correct? Anybody have any doubt? Punya, I'm coming to you. Not getting any voice from your side.
It's good for me.
Okay, so I'm coming to you for next questions. So here again, lot of equations. I think now I have, this is the slide where I have lot of equations for everyone. So let's try to solve this. Who want to give it a try? Punya, you want to give it a try? Yeah, let's do this.
Okay. So 2x plus 4 minus 12. So first we have to
Punya,
do.
this is not minus. This is equal to.
Oh,
Is this so small font? If you can't see, I will enlarge it.
oh, yes. It was looking like a minus. Okay. So first we have to do bracket one. X plus 4.
Mm-hmm.
So 12. I think it is 6.
No, we need to go step by step, Punya. So what will you do first? You will open the bracket. And what will happen when you open the bracket? You have to multiply 2 with every term inside the bracket.
So like first how I did, I will tell you. Like first I like first I did 4 plus 2. Then I got 6. So I did 6 minus 12. So I got 6. So 6 plus 4 is the answer.
I really don't know how you are processing, Punya. Sanchi, you want to give it a try? Probably you are right. I don't know the answer, Punya.
So
I need to.
if you remove the brackets, the equation would be 2x plus 4 equals to 12. So then you would
2x
shift
plus
plus 4.
It's 2x plus
Sanchi.
8. It's
2x
2x plus
plus
8.
8.
2x plus 8,
2.
sorry. 2x plus 8.
There is no sorry, Sanchi. Once you make mistake, it means your answer is wrong, right? So be careful what you're saying.
So it would be 2x plus 8 equals to 12.
Mm-hmm.
So we can take the 8 to this.
So you would shift the 8 to the other side, which would be 12 minus 8, which would be 4. So 2x equals to 4. So 4 divided by 2 equals to 2.
What happened to your voice?
It's equal to 2.
Someone muted me.
Who muted you?
I don't know. The message just came up. Someone muted me.
Whoops. Whoopsie daisies. Sorry for that.
Please don't do that. I will get report of everything who is doing what there. Okay. Thank you, Sanchi. So I'm coming to Simeon for next question.
Yes.
Simeon?
So 3n minus 5 is equal to 21.
Mm-hmm.
So
what we need to do first, we need to open the brackets. So
Yeah.
first we would go 3n minus 15.
3n
The
minus
brackets.
15 is equal to
3n
21.
minus 15 is equal to 21. And we can
Mhm.
take the negative 15 to the other side. Right? So that would make it 21 plus 15.
Very
Which
good.
is equal to 30. Which is equal to 36.
Okay.
And so 3n is equal to 36. So n is equal to 12.
Very good. Are you guys enjoying this calculation, this kind of questions? Is it helping you to make your fundamentals clear and strong? Is it good practice?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
That's
sir.
good.
Yeah, that's why on my entry form I put algebra as one of my favorite subjects in maths.
Thank you. So I have a lot of questions to practice. Because maths is all about practice. Once you have the fundamental concept clear, then it's all about practice. How much you practice, that much perfection you will get. Sachi, you already solved this. Cliff is silent, so we are coming to Cliff.
Okay, 3 n minus 5 equals to minus 1. So then let's do this
Cliff,
question.
this is not 1. This is minus 21.
21.
Right.
So let's do this question. Have a drink water. 3. So then n minus 5. So that means the answer for n minus 5 equals 2 minus 7.
So what shall I
And then
write?
we know we
Cliff, you
have
are so fast. Cliff, you are so fast. Can you please speak a bit slowly and let me know what shall I write here?
Sir,
Hmm.
can I just put my laptop on charging?
Yeah, sure. So Cliff, what will be the next calculation after this step here?
So after this calculation,
Hmm.
we should like the minus 5 bit, we should plus 5 to both sides. So then that
Cliff,
means
sorry, I need to interrupt you, Cliff. Before we do minus or plus, we have to open bracket.
oh yes.
Because 3 is outside bracket, it will not allow. It's kind of gatekeeper,
Only
right?
did that.
Gate is closed. So we need to open this.
Oh, now I know what you're
Yeah.
talking about. So what we can do is infer that for 21, let's pretend it is a whole for now, because I
Yeah.
don't want to see minus, divided by 3 equals to 7. So then,
Okay. N minus 5 is equal to, you are saying 21 by 3 is equal to minus 7. Is this right?
yes.
Super. Very good.
So the next thing we do is
Mhm.
n
Mhm.
equals 2 n
Mhm.
n n equals to,
Mhm.
let me calculate 13.
Okay. I know what will you do. You will add 5 here and you will add 5 on
Yes.
another side.
So this is 2.
Right?
I forgot I was
It's equal to minus 2. Right? So
yes.
Cliff, rather than doing this, I was trying to explain if we have complex equation, we can't, like it will be cumbersome to, add this kind of thing. What you can do is you have this equation n minus 5 is equal to minus 7. Keep variable alone on left hand side and move everything else on other side. So when you will keep n alone and when you will move minus 5 to right hand side, this minus number will become plus number, positive number. So what will you have on right hand side? Minus 7 plus 5 is equal to minus 2. You will get the same answer whether you follow this or you use the direct method. With a little bit of practice, you will become comfortable with direct method also. Okay? What you did is absolutely right, Cliff. There is nothing wrong with this question, with this answer, or with this approach. But you may want to give this approach also a try. It will be a little bit faster for you. Okay. So let's move to part D. And who is very silent there? Okay, Subi.
Okay, so while you and Cliff were solving number C, I solved number D, and surprisingly, I got a weird answer.
Mm-hmm.
So the first thing I did
Mm-hmm.
is I had to multiply each of the terms inside to get minus 4x minus 8, which would be
Minus 4x minus 8 is equal to
yeah,
8, right?
yeah. And
Okay.
then after that, well, once I had that, I did minus 4 minus 8, which I got minus 12. So minus 12x is 8. And then after I did the division on my notebook, I got like minus wait, I got negative. It was wait, give me a minute, need to check it
Mm-hmm.
down.
Mm-hmm.
Minus 0.667, and then it just keeps on going. It's my
Okay.
approximate answer.
Okay. So let's try here. Let's try together. Want to give it a try, Piana?
So I got minus 4 as the answer.
Okay. So how to do that?
So we bring minus 4 onto the part where it says is equal to 8, and
Mm-hmm.
it becomes minus 2 plus x is equal to 8 plus 4. Divide by 4. Minus 4 divided by, 8 divided by minus 4. And that's equal to minus 2. So 2 plus x is equal to minus 2. So then x should be equal to minus 4.
Probably your answer is right. Let's do this. So far, Subi, you are absolutely right up to this step. Okay. So minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 8. You keep minus 4x alone. What will happen? Minus 4x is equal to 8. This minus 8 will become plus when you will move on the right side. Plus 8 is equal to 16. Minus 4x is equal to 16. What does it mean? When you keep x alone, it will be 16 by minus 4,
Which is minus 4.
which is minus 4. How it is minus 4? Those who are not clear, if there is a step in between. Let's do that. X is equal to 16 by minus 4. Multiply by minus 1 on numerator, minus 1 in denominator. So your numerator will become minus 16 and denominator will have 4. So when you will divide minus 16 by 4, x will be minus 4. Those who got this answer are correct. Those who could not get this answer probably can check here what was the mistake. Okay.
Oh no, like I think I forgot to do Cliff's method of canceling, because like in minus 4x minus 8, like you have minus 8 there. Since you want to get rid of it, you have to add plus 8 to the other side. No, so plus 8 to there, and then you have to do plus 8 to 8, which is on the other side.
Right. So have to do plus. If you want to add something, you have to add on both sides. If you want to subtract something, you have to subtract from both sides. Same with multiplication and division. Let's move to the next question then. So I am coming to Arav. Sanchi, I will come to you. I'll come to you, please. Thank you for participation. Yeah, Arav.
For bracket start 2 minus x bracket end equals to 8. So what we do is multiply the number outside by each of the numbers slash variable inside the bracket. So it's gonna be
Right.
4 times 2, which is 8, and 4 times x, which is 4x. So we do 8 minus 4x equals to 8. So take the 8 to the other side, and then it's gonna be 8 minus 8, so which is 0. So
Probably
minus,
something wrong with this question. I think we need to add minus here. It was minus 8. Probably I missed it. Because if it is 0, it will not be of your level. So let's do this. It is minus 8. Minus 8 will be 16.
Yeah, 16. So mine. So is it
Minus
minus?
8 minus 8 minus 16. Yeah, it will be minus 16. So let me write it in a new line. Is equal to minus
Okay.
16.
So minus. So x equals to minus 16 divided by minus 4. You can do the cancellation of the minus sign. So it's gonna be 16 divided by 4, which is 4.
That's good. Yasir, you are very silent. Is it clear to you or any doubt? So you want to give it a try? You want to give part F a try? Do you want to solve this?
So 4 equals 5p minus 2.
Right?
So to open the brackets, we need to do 5 times p, which is 5p, and 5.
Your voice is gone. Sorry, can't hear anything from your side.
So we have to open the brackets by doing
Right?
5 and times the numbers. So it's 5p and minus 10.
Mhm.
And then we have to wait.
Always keep variable on left side. So what you can do, you can swap this side, left side on right side and right side on left side. So what will happen? You will have 5p minus 10 on left side and 4 on right side. So what will be the next step?
Wait a minute. I'm a little confused.
No problem. Let's do it together. So you will keep 5p alone.
Yeah.
And you will move minus 10 to right side. So because it is minus, what will be the new sign on right hand side? Plus. So it will be 4 plus 10. I will write it here. 5p is equal to 14. And p is equal to 14 by 5.
Which is 2.8.
Yeah, we don't need to go to that much calculation. This is enough. So Yasir, is it clear or any doubt? We are not getting any voice from your side. Probably your microphone is not working. Is it?
It's quite clear.
Okay, great. So
Yeah.
next question is there. And Pranav, you want to give it a try?
So for G, we have minus 4 equals.
You're on mute.
Oh wait, how did I get muted? I don't know. So basically, what we want to do is remove the variables and numbers from the bracket, so it becomes 5p minus 10.
Okay, so it is minus 4 is equal to 5p
Yeah.
minus 10.
Minus 10. And then what we do, we get the constant instead of the variable. So we get so if we take it to the other side of the equal, if we take it to the other part of the equal sign, we get 6. So 5p equals to 6.
So 5p is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, and p is equal to 6 by, sorry,
Yeah.
p is equal to 6 by 5. That's good. Samyan, I'm coming to you for part H.
Okay. 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 in brackets 10t plus 2. So what we're meant to do is we're meant to open the brackets first, which becomes like plus 3. No, it becomes 3t plus 6.
So 16 is equal to 4 plus 3t plus 6. Right?
Yes. So
And what is next step?
we need to take the plus 4 and the plus 6.
You right?
taking to the other side.
right? So what will
So-
happen? 16 minus 4 minus 6 is equal to 3t.
Yes. So
16 minus 6, 10 minus 4, 6. 6 is
yes.
equal to 3t.
6
We
equal to
always
3t.
keep variable on left side. So 3t is equal to 6
6.
and t is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2.
2.
Correct? Shine,
Yep.
are you happy to try to next part?
Yeah, I'm fine to try the next part.
Samyan, not for you. You tried. Thank you. I'm asking Sain Kamal. Sahin,
Oh,
do you want to give
sorry.
it a try?
How about me?
Yeah, Cliff, why not? Let's go ahead. But what
After all,
happened
I
to your
haven't
camera?
been done. Oh yes. I was quite busy. So then 4 plus 5
Mhm.
times p minus 1 equals to 34. So then we
Right.
could first calculate 4 plus 5 equals to 9, and then 34 divided by 9, I don't have, equals to, let me have a think. I'm not very good with decimals. Are you sure it's 7? I don't think so.
Cliff, I think there is a problem with your understanding about board mass. Sachi, what is that board mass rule?
Brackets, open, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction.
Bracket,
So first you have to open. So
open,
if there are brackets, you first
division,
open the brackets.
multiplication, addition, subtraction. So Cliff, this is very important. This is going to be very important for you. Please pay attention. If you have anywhere bracket, first thing is you need to solve any division or multiplication, then addition or subtraction. So here you have bracket, right? First you have to solve bracket before adding 5 plus 4. You can't add 5 plus 4 directly. Because there is a bracket, you can't add 5 plus 4 directly. So Sanchi, what will be the solution here? Are you on mute?
Can you hear me? Yeah, sorry, I was on mute. So the bracket part, the solution for the bracket part.
Yeah.
It would be 5p.
Mm-hmm.
Minus 5
Mm-hmm.
equals to 34.
34. Cliff, is it clear to you? Where are you? Are you clear about this board mass rule of simplification? So do you want to explain me what is board mass and how we follow this rule?
Sure. So
Yeah.
first thing we do brackets.
Yeah.
Second step we do times. Third step we do plus.
Plus,
And then
very
you
good.
the rest. It's
Yeah.
basically the
So here we
order
have
of
bracket.
operations.
We need to solve this bracket first, right? We can't add 5 plus 4 directly. So 4 plus this bracket solution. Solution for this bracket is 5p minus 5. Everyone please pay attention. Arav, is it clear to you? If there a little mistake, working with bracket will, give you incorrect answer. So have to be very clear how we solve this kind of question where there is a bracket. First thing is open the bracket, division, multiplication, then addition, subtraction. So bracket is having highest precedence. So here what we did, we solved this bracket. We opened this bracket. When we opened this bracket, we did multiplication of 5 inside whatever the terms are there. So 4 plus 5p minus 5 is equal to 35. 5p minus 1 is equal to 34. 5p is equal to 35. P is equal to 35 by 5 is equal to 7. Everything is very easy. All calculation will be very simple. We have to have very clear fundamentals. We can't add directly if there is a bracket. So there is part J. That's why I selected so many questions, so many parts there so that we can cover every type of complexity. Let's solve this part J, Cliff, with you.
Okay. So then 0 equals to 16 plus 4. So then we need to solve the brackets first. M minus 6.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can remove the brackets.
Mm-hmm. So what will be the value when we open the bracket?
It will be divided. You muted me.
What shall I write, Cliff?
It is what you should write is plus 4 divided by m minus 6. At least I think.
Cliff, you have to work here a little bit. I will give you some extra questions for your practice. A lot of part of mathematics are very strong, very clear to you, but I think we need to work on this bracket kind of questions. So please pay attention what we are going to do here. First thing is we have to solve this bracket. So what will happen when we open the bracket? 4 will be multiplied inside with every term. It will become 4m minus 24. Please don't take it negatively. We have, like, if we are weak, if we are, have some opportunities to improve, we still have 2 weeks for exam, 2-3 weeks of exam, and we can work it out. So please pay attention here, Cliff. 0 is equal to 16 plus, when we open this bracket, 4 will be multiplied with every term inside there. 4m minus 6 times 4 is equal to 24. So 0 is equal to 4m minus how much? 8. It means 4m minus 8 is equal to 0. And what will be the value of 4m, Cliff?
Okay, the value of 4m is equal to 4 times m. So then what we can simply do is grab. So then we can both sides divide by 4.
Okay. So 4m by 4 minus 8
Yes.
by 4 is equal to 0, right?
Yes.
So it will become m minus 2 is equal to 0, right?
So then m is 2 because the difference is 0.
Yeah, m is equal to 2 plus 0 is equal to 2.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Are you going somewhere?
No.
Okay, then. Okay. No, bye. You need to improve on this. I'm coming to next question for you.
Yay!
Yeah. So let's solve this.
X minus 3 over 5 equals to 7 over 5. So what we can notice first is that after minusing 3 over 5,
your voice is gone, Cliff. You are on mute.
again, who did that? Second time.
Anybody doing this intentionally? Let me ask. See, do you want me to do this investigation? Who is playing with others?
Not me.
I didn't
If
think
I
I
found
can. I
anybody
didn't think I could
playing
do
this
it.
kind of thing here, I'm going to tell you, I'm telling very clearly, he will not join class next time. I'll block him.
My one was by accident.
So nobody will play with other system, right?
I didn't
This
think
is
I
my
can even do it.
yeah.
You can.
I don't even know how to do it.
Thank you. No, I'm not
I would
pointing
say
to anybody, but if I found anybody doing this kind of thing here, I will directly just go and block him.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I checked if I could do it because I know where it is, but I didn't have access to it, so I kind of done it.
So you don't have access. So nobody have access to mute others, right?
I
Abhi?
don't think I can.
I had it in the first class, but I don't know
Okay.
how.
yeah.
But then
I can
No,
mute
now I
anyone
don't
here.
have it.
any
Abhi, do you
like
want to give it a try? Abhi, do you
If
want to
anyone
mute?
wants me to make a point, I'll do it.
yeah, I can mute. I can mute. I've seen.
You can mute yourself or you can mute others also.
Others.
I can also mute others. Everybody can
Okay.
mute others.
Okay.
No, I can't mute others.
No,
mean,
yeah, same. Even I can't move others. I can't move others. I can't mute
Okay.
others.
Same.
No, not a problem. I'll find it out how this is happening. I just want to ensure that nobody should do this intentionally. So let's move forward. Yeah, Cliff.
Oh, back to me again.
Yeah.
Okay. So then N. I think it's X, not N. By
X,
the way.
yeah. This is X, yeah.
Must be my vision. But anyway, -3/5 equals to 7/5. So
Right.
then we can tell that N is 3/5 plus 7/5.
Yeah, so
So
X
then that
is
means
equal
it
to
is 10
7
over
over 5 plus 3 over 5. Right?
Yes. So then
Okay.
the next thing we do here is simply grab the top two and then leave the bottom ones. So then it
Okay.
is 7 plus 3 equals to 10 for the top and then 5 on the bottom. So that equals to 10/5. 10/5 simplifies to 2/1, which we can simplify to 2.
That's good, Cliff. Thank you. So you can do this only when you have like fractions. These two are like fractions because denominator is same. If denominator is different, you can't do this. Then you have to take LCM, have to convert them to like fractions, and then do this. Let's move to Sanchia.
X plus 1 by 2 equals to 7/2. So
Mhm.
first I'm going to convert 1 by 2 to like actual like what it is. So it would be like wait. Oh yeah. So X plus 1 by 2 equals to 7 by 2. So 1 by 2, so I would take 1 by 2 to the other side, which would be 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2, which would be 6 by 2.
7
so-
minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6 by 2. X is
So
equal to.
X equals to 6 by 2. 3.
Thank you. Arav, this is your turn now.
So M X minus 1 by 3 equals to 2 by 3. So
Mhm.
X minus 1 by 3 equals to 2 by 3. So we add 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. So wait. We have to
Okay, go
find
ahead.
out X, right? Yes, so which is 3 by 3, which is 1 whole. So X is 3 by 3, which is 1 whole.
That's good. X is equal to 1. So we are already almost 1.5 hours, 6:20 now. Shall we take 5-minute break for everyone and resume?
Or
Yeah.
Good.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So
Yes.
5-minute break now, and then we will resume to rest of our questions. We have a lot of questions to solve, so please come quickly,
Okay.
as quick as possible.